Lois is a hot, sexy mother, she is. What we're gonna do is draw her face first, and we're gonna frame it with her hair, just like this. The little bob. There we go. And then her bangs will come here like this, and like that. And then she's got a bit of a face here with an earring. And we can bring this on down like that. And her neck would be here. We'll bring that piece of the neck up here on the other side. And then what we can do is bring that on up like this. Continue her hair down like that. And the nose is kind of like this. There we go. Big eyes just like this. And like that. Don't forget her eyelashes there. And there. Little dots for pupils. And then she's got a very nice mouth like this. There we go. Very good. Don't forget the tongue. There we are. All right, Lois has started here. Lois, who likes to wear a collared shirt most of the time. So let's do that right there. There, just like that. And then let's do this with her arm here. There, and we'll pretend that she's posing. So let's roll up her sleeve. We'll give this a squiggly do, just like that. Bring her arm up here like that. All right, I like this. And then her body can come down like this. There we go, just like that. And then we can continue her arm here like this. There we go. The thumb will tuck behind there. And she's got 3 fingers. There we go. Looking good, everybody. Let's draw some buttons on her shirt. A little line down like that. Alrighty. Now we can continue this down. There's her bum and her leg all at the same time. Tuck her foot underneath like this. There we go. Just like that. Bring her knee up like that. There we are. That's looking nice. And we'll bring this foot down here. Leg all the way down to this foot, I should say. Just like that. There we are. This leg will be behind. Pant leg, and then her shoes. Oh, I like it. And then we can finish this off with a shirt just like this. Bring that up to that line we made before. Down here like that, like that. And then our other arm, which is kind of tucked behind here, can come down like that. There we go, everybody. It's Lois from Family Guy. Let's get to the color. Lois has light skin, red hair and lips, green shirt and earrings, brown pants, purple shoes. Thanks, everyone.